Hi guys, today video is about Power BI Full Stack Developer Roadmap. Want to become a Power BI Full Stack Developer in 2026? In this video, I'll show you the complete roadmap step by step from beginner level to becoming job ready. Let's start. Step 1. Learn data fundamentals. Before learning Power BI, you must understand data basics. Learn rows and columns, tables and relationships, primary keys and foreign keys, structured and unstructured data. You should also learn because many companies use Excel with Power BI. Step 2. Learn SQL. SQL is one of the most important skills of Power BI developers. Learn select, where, group by, order by, joins, subqueries, window functions. Practice writing queries daily because Power BI mainly works with databases. Step 3. Learn Power BI data basics. Now start learning Power BI. Understand Power BI desktop, Power BI service, data loading, data cleaning, data transformation. Learn how to import Excel files, connect SQL databases, create simple dashboards. This is where your Power BI journey starts. Step 4. Learn Power Query and data transformation. Real world data is never clean. That's why Power Query is very important. Learn removing null values, changing data types, merging tables, appending queries, data cleaning techniques. Power Query helps transform raw data into useful business data. Step 5. Learn DAX. DAX is the brain of Power BI. DAX stands for Data Analysis Expressions. Learn sum, calculate, filter, if, switch, time intelligence functions, running totals, ranking functions. DAX helps create advanced business calculations. Step 6. Learn data visualization. A dashboard should tell a story clearly. Learn visualization concepts, KPI cards, charts, tables, maps, drill through reports, interactive filters. Also learn color balancing, dashboard design, learn data warehousing and ETL. To become a full stack Power BI developer, you must understand backend systems too. Learn data warehousing, ETL process, star schema, Snowflake schema, SysSim basics, Azure Factory basics. These skills help manage enterprise level data systems.